Hello, I'm Dominic Rosas, one of the inventors of the instant microwave. This microwave will change your life because not only you put a food item in, which we will demonstrate in 1 second, not 1 second, in a minute. You put the food item in, you close it, you put the time amount you need to put in the microwave to cook the food, and you press start instantly. Okay, so we will be using some popcorn. Welcome back. We will now have our item come in. Get some popcorn. Good job. Oh, look at that. Oh, shoot.
Here you go, Tyler. Here's your popcorn.
It's so hot.
Enjoy, buddy. Tell us how it tastes.
Oh, it's gonna taste amazing and
Is it hot?
yes.
That's because the microwave we are selling
Let me try it.
is the most
Make
premium
sure
edition.
we're.
It will
make
cook.
sure you're
in
enjoying it.
Okay, no, I'm trying to speed drops on the floor.
Alright, y'all, we are making ramen noodles. Same microwave, same tank.
Why is it in a cup?
We didn't have no time.
Nah, because he squished it up.
I'm gonna go put it in on the normal time, 3 minutes for ramen noodles, right? What you doing?
That quick?
Oh, look at. Oh, you see this? Royalty. Now let me get my fork and my seasoning.
Oh.
Paste?
Ain't that nice? Holy cow, look at all that steam. It's just like we just cooked it in a regular microwave, just faster.
Shut up. What?
It's been quiet for a little while because of,
Kind of focus.
yeah.
Yeah, no, it's fun watching.
It's like an ASMR channel, bro.
Alright, you see this?
Should be.
We're going to let it freeze for a little bit. Nah, freeze. Just default, nah, default.
I want to be the
Cool
stupid
down.
one. And I'll just burn the top of my mouth. Alright, here you go, Branson.
Whoa.
Oh, that feels weird.
Yeah. Yo, it just came out the microwave. Yo. I really usually like
We're done now.
I don't like the bite.